Welcome to Formatting 102, Headers and Tables of Content. In this presentation, you will learn what headings are, what the different heading styles look like, how to create headings, and how to use headings for the table of contents. Headings have a hierarchical structure and are used to organize a manuscript. Level 1 headings, also called a main heading or heading 1, should include the abstract, the dedication, the acknowledgments page, list of tables, list of figures, individual chapter heads, references, and appendices. Level 2 headings are typically used within chapters to subdivide sections, as seen in the example on your screen. Here we have APA 7th edition heading styles. As you can see, the first heading is centered, bold, and in title heading case, with the subsequent text coming in a new paragraph. This is different from MLA 9th edition, where the first level heading is bold and just flushed left. And in the 17th edition of Chicago style, the first level heading is centered and bold-faced or italic with headline style capitalization. Here I will show you how to put your headers into heading styles. Our first header, level 1 heading, is our chapter header here. We select the header, then we go to the Styles ribbon in the Home tab and select Heading 1. This puts the header into Heading 1 style for us. Now, we do the same for Heading 2. On the off chance that we don't have the headings that we need in the styles, we can select the heading, make it look the way that it's supposed to, then right-click on the heading style and click Update Heading 2 to match selection. Now it matches. Now that our headers are in place, we can use them to create a table of contents. In order to do this, you go to the References tab on Word, and you go to the left of the ribbon where it says Table of Contents. Click it, and it opens a drop-down menu that allows you to select from automated tables that are already created for you. I'm going to go ahead with Automatic Table 1. I click it, and here it is. All of our headings are already in place, just like they are above. If I were to need to change this, such as changing subheadings to subheadings 2 through 3, and wanted to update my table of contents, I would click on my table of contents, Update Table, and click Update Entire Table. Now, our subheading says subheadings 2 through 3. Isn't that awesome? It's that easy. Thank you, and look forward to more formatting courses in the future.